Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Let's pick a card today to see what we get. Sometimes it's not the people who change, it's the mask that falls off. Which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this cute little flower one. Do what makes you feel alive. For sure, for sure. Remind yourself that you cannot fail at being yourself. Wayne Dyer. People's behaviors are about how they feel about themselves. Our thoughts are clickbait, so be cautious about which ones you click on. That's a good way to think of it. Nothing about you is a mistake. Remember that. And the last one today. By being yourself, you put something wonderful in the world that wasn't there before. I love that one. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.